Oh. See
You're
his.
flying like in these agile, but you can probably adjust those settings somehow.
Oh yeah. And what kind of battery life you get?
With the ones I bought, like some ones on eBay, I get about 11 minutes with those. And the ones that come with it, they say 8, but I get like 11 with those too.
No.